Over the next 4 days, the Global Youth Council will be, first, building a consensus to find 5 common issues around the world that affect children and young people concerning media. 2, we will also identify 5 recommendations for these issues. And 3, we'll create an action plan for each individual country, but also as a Global Youth Council to take the campaign further. Although we all come from different countries, we all recognise that the media is an important tool for education, participation, and for giving youth a real voice. We therefore need you all, we really need you, to support our campaign in order to make real change actually happen. I'd like you all to think of you and me, in fact all of us as a hand, with the fingers that stand alone and not as powerful as the fist. We need to work together in order to make a wants and needs reality. Over the next 4 days, I know we'll all be very busy as a youth, the Global Youth Council, and we look forward to presenting you our campaign on the closing ceremony. Thank you very much for this opportunity. I hope you